Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. This time we're doing my blueberry cream body parfait. And so it's basically a yogurt textured lotion that's super hydrating and moisturizing. During these videos, my camera did cut out a few times, so I'll explain those parts away as we go along. But I just wanted to give you the heads up. So here's one of them. I add in the Olive M1000 and the castor oil got added into that part. And this one too. For some reason, my camera cut out at those times. And I'll take a little bit of time to explain. So the first part, I just add the castor oil and I melt that into phase A. The second thing that my camera skipped out on was me dispersing the xanthan gum as instructed in the vegetable glycerin. And then whenever you mix it, you have to fully disperse it before adding in the water. And then you get this nice thick jelly type of texture. Once you do that, according to the directions, then you're going to go ahead and add in your hot phase. So you're going to combine phases A and B with an immersion blender. And you're just going to pulse until you get this nice thick type of texture. So the reason why it's important to disperse the xanthan gum before adding it into the water is because what happens is it'll get very clumpy. You can disperse it without, especially if you have like an immersion blender or any type of mixer, but it just gets lumpy and clumpy. It doesn't thicken up. It does thicken up, but just not, it's sticky and messy and clumpy. It took me so long to do it before. So that's why I highly advise dispersing it. And then you're going to mix it well. I kind of do a little bit of a texture check here, even though I'm going to be adding in a little bit more oil to give it more of that yogurty, jiggly texture. And there's the blueberry oil that's going in there as well. And then I also add in the germol at the end. That's something else that, for some reason, my video just kept cutting out. I do apologize for that. But I love this blueberry oil. It's unrefined blueberry oil. It actually smells sweet like blueberries and kind of has a purplish color to it, which is really cool. And I've also found that this is a great body lotion, but I also love putting it in my hair. Blueberry oil is really good for the skin, but it also has properties that make the hair nice and shiny whenever you add it in. So I really like it for that reason. And then you just continue mixing and you'll get to see it get thicker and a little bit fluffier. You could stop at that part and just add in your preservative. But here you see me adding in my colorants to give it that purple type of color. It did not leave any cast on the skin. It blended in perfectly. And I didn't have any issues with any sort of staining or anything like that. And you get this nice blue type of, I should say more purple, indigo purplish type of hue, which is really, really pretty and catching to the eye. And it smells like, you could add fragrance oil if you wanted to as well. But it kind of already smells sweet due to the fact that I use the unrefined blueberry oil. But if you wanted to add in like for an extra blueberry type of scent, you could totally do that. And so there it is. You have a kind of thinner type of yogurt texture. It does thicken up just a little bit, but I absolutely love this for the hair and skin, especially for wintertime. This is super hydrating and conditioning to the skin. So I hope you guys enjoy this and I'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye.